10 minutes at a time for the whole thing. Okay, you guys done with that part? Let me know. It looks like you guys have a lot of goods, Jonathan. Let me try to finish it. Okay, so since you two are done, Riley, did you see anything that needed to be corrected for his? Okay. Okay. And Jonathan, you're gonna get these so you know what to correct, okay? So I think a lot of this stuff, because you were saying that the spell check wasn't working. So I think a lot, some of the things that they're finding are some spelling. Okay. Okay, so it looks like you're done too, John. So John, why don't we move on to you? Is there something? First, let's start with something good. What did you find good about his essay?
Well,
that he did well.
I guess.
Do you want me to start?
I guess his second paragraph has some description for one more understanding.
His second paragraph is pretty good. Okay. It gives more insight into his powers. Okay.
But how were I a bit more cons?
Okay. So what's something that you think he needs to work on before his final draft?
Well, I located some fragments, like some distortions, like
Okay.
some run-ons, like we get here, more there.
Okay.
Some spellings.
Okay.
And honestly, I just put this here for because of this disagreement.
Okay. I see what you say. Okay, it's an opposing view. Okay. So, is there anything specific that you think he needs to add to give us a better picture of Kakashi?
Well, I would say the writing itself is good. It's just how he put it, just the order he put it in.
Okay. So maybe you want to, when you reread it, you want to do some rearranging. Okay. It's just a thought. My critique is you don't need these things in the parentheses saying more next paragraph.
Or yeah, same with that.
Or here is a picture of him. Okay. That's okay sometimes in like informal writing, but this is essay writing. Okay. So for that kind of stuff, you don't need to include that stuff where like, okay, on to the next paragraph, or you don't need to include that in this type of writing, okay? Logan, did you find anything that you think he needs to work on?
And my commentary is mostly really on this sheet.
Okay. Let me see what you got there.
Mostly shows what my immediate thoughts were.
Yeah,
why I
and
got
so-
done with it.
Okay, I'm sorry. So like, Logan wrote on his notes, he wrote something that I wrote, that I already told you about, was casual wording, more informal writing.
And the second one is a joke.
Okay. Okay, these are peer reviews. You guys don't want to joke around on these, okay?
Well, I just have like a disagreement.
It's fun. Okay. Also, I think there's some things that need clarification, like he underlined kamikaze, just to clarify it, so that if someone didn't know anything about anime, they would know what you're talking about. Okay, or at least have somewhat of a better idea. Okay. And remember, guys, you guys are all going to peer review each other's essay. This is nothing personal. Okay, this is constructive criticism. Okay, it's how you're going to make your essay better. Okay, and you guys each get a shot at each other. Right, so don't take it hard. Okay, everyone's gonna have some corrections to do. Okay.
So which one's next?
So next one. Okay. So Jonathan, these are yours to keep while you do your final draft. Okay. Okay, look it over before you do your final draft. Okay. So I think next we are going to move to Miss Riley. Okay. That's Riley's essay. Here's Riley's essay. Riley, don't worry, don't be shy, okay? We're all gonna get a chance. Okay? Okay. Let me pull up Riley's essay. How do you feel about that, Jonathan? Do you think those criticisms are valid? Okay. And you think they'll be easily corrected, or maybe take some time? Okay. I liked your essay, Jonathan. There were some points where I got a little bit lost in like the third paragraph, but overall I thought it was really good. Okay. Okay, so on to Riley. Oh, let me give you another rubric for Riley. There you go. There you go. Here you go. And here you go. Okay. So let me read Riley's aloud. My favorite anime character is Asuna Yuki. Am I saying that right, Riley? Yuki? Okay. She has long, orange, brownish, chestnut hair and hazel eyes, is 186 centimeters in height, and wears a red and white uniform. Asuna does not have any special powers, but wields a rapier, which is a type of sword. Named... Is that right?
Hey, John. I know what you think of that. It's really good.
Did I say it wrong?
Yeah.
Is it rapier? Named...
I would pronounce the rapier in my head.
That's how I see it. Okay. Named Lambent Light. She is a good character in both the anime and manga series and does not have any sort of catchphrase. I think that she is special because she is the main female protagonist in the series, the sub-leader of the Knights of the Blood Oath, and the girlfriend and in-game wife of Kirito. Knights of the Blood Oath is a medium-sized high-level guild in Sword Art Online that consists of at least 30 high-level members who wear uniforms stylized in red and white to symbolize their guild. Kirito is the main protagonist of Sword Art Online light novel, anime, and manga series. His name, Kirito, has been taken from his name in real life, which is Kazuto. He is one of the 1,000 chosen people that were allowed to be beta testers for the closed beta version of Sword Art Online. I think that she seems better than other anime characters since she seems like a character with a kind but proud and somewhat stubborn personality. One of the reasons I like her is because she's usually not afraid to act out on her own